A family of 4 wants to move into a 73 square meter studio. The floor space is limited, but the ceiling height is 6 meters. Can vertical space be turned into a real family home? Let's find out. Small apartments with great ceiling height can be found all over the world. In Europe, Asia or America. Especially in major cities, such loft studios are a common phenomenon. Limited floor space, but plenty of volume. One of these apartments is located right in the heart of New York, surrounded by skyscrapers in one of the densest housing markets in the world. Here in Manhattan, we want to completely rethink a studio apartment. Let's take a look at what we are working with. The studio currently offers approximately 73 square meters of total area. For a family of 4, that's too small, especially considering that the studio consists of only 2 rooms and a small balcony. The main room has around 58 square meters of floor area, while the smaller room offers about 12 square meters. Without the balcony, this gives us roughly 70 square meters of usable living space. We enter the apartment through the smaller room. Right next to the entrance is the service shaft containing all building utility lines. Therefore, the kitchen and bathroom should best be located as close to this area as possible. The main room has a ceiling height of 6 meters and key dimensions of 13 by 5.20 meters. In the northwest corner of the room there is a narrow 1.5 meter extension. The apartment receives daylight exclusively from the northeast side, primarily through 4 windows measuring 4 meters 36 in height. From the main room, a 2-flight stair leads to a small 4 square meter balcony. The existing staircase only serves to access this exterior balcony. As a result, it partially reduces the ceiling height of the smaller room below to around 2.70 meters. We enter the apartment from the south side. Due to its position next to the service shaft and a smaller window with a sill, the smaller room is perfectly suited to become the kitchen. In the main room, more extensive modifications are required in order to fully take advantage of the ceiling height. A new intermediate floor will need to be inserted. Let's take a look at the floor plan. We need a functional layout to transform this apartment into a fully usable home for 2 adults and 2 children. As mentioned, the smaller room at the entrance is ideal for the kitchen. Its proximity to the service shaft, the practicality of short circulation paths to the entry, and the minimal construction work required all supports this choice. In front of the kitchen we create a small hallway and a guest bathroom. The resulting niche would be perfect for a built-in coat closet. In the main room we remove the existing staircase. We divide the space with partition walls along the existing beam, creating a dining area and a living area. We also partition off the small room extension. The existing door between the former small and main room remains. In the dining area, a new spiral staircase will connect the 2 levels. An additional door will be created from the kitchen to the future dining area. With just over 7 square meters, the kitchen is compact but highly functional. The small hallway, acting as a circulation hub between the entrance, living area, kitchen, guest bathroom and coat storage, is optimized at around 3 square meters, ensuring that no valuable New York square footage is wasted on unnecessary corridors. The niche in front of the service shaft between the guest bathroom and the entrance is ideal for a large built-in wardrobe with an integrated bench for putting on shoes. The guest bathroom is also compact, but still large enough to accommodate the toilet and a small sink. In the kitchen, the stove and oven are positioned directly opposite the access to the dining area. A fridge-freezer combination is placed in the right corner. This minimizes the walking distance when unloading groceries, and thanks to its position in the corner, the large refrigerator has a minimal visual impact on the space. The sink is placed in front of the window, allowing you to look out onto the streets of New York while washing dishes. The rest of the kitchen becomes counter space. There are 3 potential locations for a dishwasher and/or a washing machine. The wall section between the refrigerator and the exterior wall is suitable for upper cabinets to increase storage as needed. Let's move on to the dining area, which is directly connected to the kitchen. The space is large enough for a dining table for 6 people and can be extended to seat up to 10 if necessary. Along the wall, shared with the kitchen, we place a 19 cm high sideboard that can be used for storage and as a serving surface. The spiral staircase in the lower left corner does not interfere with the function of the dining area, nor does it negatively affect the natural light intake. From the entrance, it is directly accessible to reach the upper floor without disturbing other areas of the apartment. The wall along the circulation part is ideal for a built-in cabinet or a bookshelf. The dining area is separated from the living area by a partition wall, but connected via a 2-meter wide opening. Optionally, double doors could be installed here. The living area naturally requires a sofa. A 3 by 1.5 meter sectional fits easily. We add a coffee table and 2 armchairs. With approximately 27 square meters of floor area, the living room offers plenty of space, especially since the large opening to the dining area makes the room feel even larger. A sideboard can be placed along the window wall. Another sideboard will be positioned opposite the seating area, an ideal location for the TV. The wall opposite the window could also be used, if needed, for additional built-in cabinetry or bookshelves. The small room in the northwest corner works perfectly as a compact utility room. Cleaning supplies, the vacuum cleaner, and other household items can be stored here. With that, the first floor is complete. On the second floor, we naturally retain the existing structural walls. This creates a double-height central space that preserves the original studio character. The spiral staircase leads to a walkway that connects the bathroom on the left with the bedrooms on the right. The former balcony remains in place. Only minimal structural changes are required here. However, the wall will be opened and glazed, creating direct access from the bathroom to the balcony. Once again, the bathroom is placed directly at the service shaft, positioned above the half bath and kitchen. A plumbing wall opposite the shaft allows the sink and toilet to be installed on this side. A large bathtub is placed on the opposite wall. Alternatively, a spacious walk-in shower is also possible, depending on the owner's preferences. A combination of both could be implemented as well. In this design, however, I have allocated space for a washing machine. While it could technically be placed in the kitchen, here it benefits from the proximity to the bedrooms, and in a rather un-American twist, the balcony could be used for drying laundry. Now let's take a look at the bedrooms. The primary bedroom accommodates a king-sized bed. The large window frontage is perfect for a small desk or vanity, offering a view into the urban canyons of the city. The adjoining smaller room serves as the ideal walk-in closet or dressing room. Wardrobes are placed along the wall opposite the windows, and the built-in closet can be extended into the hallway if needed. The children's bedroom features a bed with a headboard and wardrobes at the foot of the bed. All rooms are planned in such a way that no changes to the exterior facade or window placement are required. A workspace is located directly at the window for optimal natural light. If the owners do not yet have children, this room can serve as a home office or a guest room. But where do we place the second child? To solve this, we focus on the area above the dining space and remove part of the glass railing of the gallery. The second level will be extended in this area, creating an additional room. A bed also fits here with wardrobes on the opposite wall. Once again, a workspace at the window. The two children's rooms measure approximately 11 and 10 square meters. The primary bedroom is about 15 square meters and the bathroom is just over 7 square meters. The spaces are not oversized, but they are sufficiently comfortable, especially by New York standards. By adding the second level, we gained approximately 55 square meters of additional space, bringing the apartment to a total of around 125 square meters of living area. Along the wall opposite the windows, nearly every room can accommodate built-in storage without compromising functionality or spatial quality. The bathroom is easily accessible from all bedrooms. All rooms receive optimal daylight. Thanks to the open concept and spiral staircase, the original studio character is preserved. The dining and living areas can be separated if needed, allowing for activities such as working from home without disturbing each other. The entry area provides ample space for shoes and coats thanks to the large built-in wardrobe. The kitchen is compact but functional and offers sufficient counter space. The option to add or omit the additional bedroom on the upper floor provides flexibility between more living space or a stronger loft character. So, what kind of cost range should we expect for a project like this? Because the answer depends heavily on exact location, specifications, renovation quality and the year of execution. This is only a rough indication for Midtown Manhattan in 2026. The purchase price for an industrial style unrenovated 73 square meter studio ranges between 1.2 and 1.8 million US. If you prefer to rent such a studio, monthly costs would be between $6,500 and $9,000 US. Renovation costs can vary widely, depending on quality and scope. For a solid high-end standard, one can expect costs between $350,000 and $600,000 US. After the renovation, the apartment not only offers significantly higher living quality, but also substantially more floor area. As a result, the purchase price would likely increase to 2.4 to 3.3 million US. Monthly rent would now range between $11,000 and $15,500 US. Would you feel at home here? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.